You're looking at a 2017 Chevy 2500 regular cab, long box, 4x4 with 130,000 miles. It has a 6-liter V8, 6-speed automatic transmission, 410 rear axle with a 9,500-pound GVWR and an integrated trailer brake. We had the transmission rebuilt at Hansers, and the transmission has a 3-year or 100,000-mile warranty for peace of mind. Features include Chevrolet MyLink radio with 7-inch diagonal color touchscreen, XM satellite radio, and rear vision camera, air conditioning, cruise control, power windows and door locks, heated power mirrors, 17-inch aftermarket wheels, keyless entry, 40/20/40 split bench seating. This is a one-owner truck out of Wyoming. There are no accidents reported on the history report. The tires are in great shape. And don't forget, Hansers just rebuilt the transmission, so this truck is ready to go to work today. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana.